now's the time to speak out for the animals, people. You know, they need the trees to survive. So he's eating the plants. You know, he needs you to help him. We'll let him do his thing. But his forest is in danger. His forest is in danger. Get him. Get him. He's going in, going in. He's going in. Get him. Oh, get in there. Oh, he's going in. He's going in. Oh, he got him. He got him. Oh, get him in there. And they're working on this big shelf right there. See, they're attacking that cloud. Look at it. Watch this. See, there he goes. He's gonna fly right into that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Flew right into it. Yeah. They're busy. See, there's the sun. That sun is so bright. It's like a white LED. It's so bright. It's so unbelievably hot. That's what that does up there. It turns it into like a magnifying glass. All this stuff they're putting into the sky. And look at these trees right here. Completely defoliated. I mean, this says it all right here. This is the damage done by geoengineering. This is it right here by the chemtrails. This is it. This is the damage done right here. You can see how the beautiful branches, they just turn brown and break off like this. See it hanging there? I mean, you're going to see that on all these trees. This one's starting to lean over as it dies. This tree's leaning over. It's turning brown. I mean, I'm out here by myself. No one else will point this out. No one sees it. They're all zombie sheeple, brainwashed zombie sheeple, and they don't notice that the forests are dying and the sky is different and the sun has changed. But that's what I'm talking about right there. Look at that. Just this is another day where it's a complete whiteout. It took very, very many planes to do this. And as you can see right now where the sun is setting right here to the left of it, you can see there's so much in the sky that it looks like another sun. You know, there's so much stuff in the sky. You can see the chemical colors right there like a rainbow. I mean, there's the sun right there. And these trees look absolutely horrific now. No, I'm gonna pan back here. I can't get too much. It's just an update video. But if you could see these trees back there, they're actually bending, they're bowing over. No, even the healthy ones, look, they're bowing. They're leaning over like a dying flower, you know? It's really quite insane. But I want you to see this right here. I mean, that's how much stuff is up there, you know? And we never saw anything like that when we were younger. But these trees are horrific condition. They all have sores like this. See, they have these sores. Every tree, this is international. This isn't just this one spot right here. They have these sores. They're dying out like this. They're flashing out. I mean, this was my favorite tree. It's been long gone. It's just long gone. See, look right there. Yeah. It's unbelievable up there. Look, see, I'll show this side. Turn around here. But these trees are wilting over like daisies, like you hit it with a blowtorch. I mean, look at it. See the tree right there? It's just, they're leaning over. And if you look back through here, it's just one after another they're dying. One after another. I'll give you the best shot I can. Like I said, today's just a quick update video of my sky. See, and they're all like that through there. All these trees are dying, and see, look at it bent over. Can you see it? It's just, they're just bending over. But of course, no one sees this. Absolutely no one. It's almost like a nightmare horror movie. But at least you'll get to see it, right? Here you go. Here's some of the trees. They're just dying like this. I mean, these branches are just breaking and bending and snapping. It's unbelievable. Like I said, if the camera doesn't do justice, you have to come out here and see it for yourself. And whatever's in the air, I've been breathing it in. It makes you very tired. This has health effects on you. Whatever this is up there that comes down on you, that these planes put out. You can see it. It stretches as far. You can see the rainbow up there in the sky too. See, people don't see it. They don't see anything. They don't even look up. There it is. It's right in front of you. Don't question anything, right? Just listen to the media. And there you go. There's all the dead trees. Look at them. I'll go over here and show you a little more. Cut through here. This was just a quick update video for today. You know, I've been watching these things die for a long time. They're gonna stop, you know? And look at the bark just shearing off of them. I'm telling you guys, if I was to stand next to that tree, that bark is like ashes. It's like ashes. You touch it with your hand, it just comes off. And some of them, they're like this. You can just pull it off with your hands. And we're getting this mold. Everything's molding. See, look. You can see it. I mean, the way I see this, it's damage done. There's no reverse. You can't clean all that up. Look at that. I mean, look at that. There's just so much of it. And of course, the trees are just, they just rot and die and break off. Look at it. Look, every branch, every tree's affected. Yeah, save this video and show it to your skeptical friends that go, well, that's not going on. Yeah, save it. Save this video. Look at these dead trees. Look at all of them. And look at that. Look at that. Like, what planet am I on, you know? Think about this. This is the same thing you see all over the internet. You see the planes from here to every country. They dump this out above us. And you know what? It turns the sun into like a magnifying glass. And if anything, it's failed. It's failed. You haven't saved anything. Look at these trees. Well, then you better spray 2 or 3 times as much, because it has failed. Complete failure. No, it's a complete failure. Yeah. If it was to save anything on the ground, I'm showing you, this is what the ground looks like. It's complete failure. Complete. No, everything is just from that. Alright, I don't want this video to be too long. It was just an update to show you my sky and what was going on out here. But it's actually quite ridiculous, like you see in a lot of places. But look at these trees. They're decimated. Like the sun they're just being destroyed. Hey, one last look over here. Just look. Turns the bark into ashes. Literally, everything is just... Here, I guess I'll give you a better view. I'll come over here. Like I said, the camera doesn't do justice. You wouldn't believe it unless you were standing here looking at this stuff. Just dead tree. No, they're all turning pink. They're turning pink, people. The trees are literally turning pink and dying. All of them, young and old, big trees. Big trees, they all have sores on them. Big leaky sores. Look at this. See, it's still there. You can see it. The sun shines right through it. I mean, look. And look at these trees. Look at that. Look at that image. They're just dying, turning red and pink. That was today's update video, and you can see it. It's all through there. They're all infected. Every single healthy tree, and this is as far as I go up the interstate too. It's not like it's just right here. No, you can clearly see back through there. Everything is just completely destroyed. Even way back there. Look, I'll zoom in. See the trees dying way in the back there? I mean, they're all... So whatever they're doing up there is complete failure. Absolutely complete failure, because it didn't save anything on the ground. I mean, that's obvious. Look, if it was to save the trees, then you need to do much, much more, or stop completely, because it's not working. You know? It's just simply not working, man. That's my opinion, you know? And I've noticed in my own health, it's made me very tired, whatever this is, every day, to have this up there every day and block out like a blue sky where it's just turned into a white hazy thing. You feel like the sky looks. You know, it's not just some fancy backdrop, ladies and gentlemen. It affects you physically. You know, the light coming from the sun is a specific wavelength and frequency. You know, you don't want to disrupt that. Well, there you go, it's disrupted. Look at the health of these trees right here. Look at them. Very sad. Have a nice day, everyone.